morning, welcome back to another Coastal Explorers from here at Hong Kong Harbour. Now today's little video is all about how to get from here to Shenzhen. There are multiple ways. You can catch the MTR and then walk across a bridge. You can catch the high-speed train, but you can also catch the ferry from here, and not a lot of people know about it, and it may be your best bet to getting into Shenzhen. So here's a how-to video on how to catch the ferry to Shekou. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is navigate yourself to the Shun tax centre. You can't miss it, 2 large red towers, and it's a few hundred metres to the west of the central ferry terminal. It's also the place where you can catch the ferry to Macau, so we have the fast turbo jets to Macau from the same building. Head inside and look for the ticket office. If you're from the UK and you're looking for some snacks on that ferry ride, why not try the Marks and Spencer's here, located just inside the main doors. So at the top of the escalator here, you'll have lots of different ticket counters, mainly for the Macau ferry. You want to go to the one by the East Bridge on the right hand side, and you want to be in the first lane. Counter number 1, those are for the tickets to Shekou. I've got my ticket. I had to hand over my China card, or probably for most of you guys it'll be a passport to check that you're allowed into the mainland. Once you got your ticket, mine was $70. That's probably around $9 US. You can go first class. I don't think there's much extra if you go first class. So let's see what the economy is like on a 1-hour trip. And it says the East Bridge, which technically is right next to it, so we haven't got far to go, but I think I might go and get myself a coffee before I jump on.
Around 20 minutes before departure, begin your journey across the East Bridge. This is what many people call the Hong Kong-Shenzhen border, but it's not quite an international crossing in the usual sense. Instead, it marks the boundary between Hong Kong and mainland China under the one country, two systems principle. As you reach the end of the bridge, keep to the left, have your ticket ready, a quick scan, and then down the escalator. Here you'll pass through Hong Kong immigration using either your passport or Hong Kong ID. Once through, you'll walk through Hong Kong customs. The process is typically smooth, almost effortless. From there, simply follow the signs for Shekou. The path leads you forward, step by step, down escalators, around corners, until the space opens into the waiting area. Then, just 5 minutes before departure, everything shifts. The gates open, you move forward and step aboard a sleek, modern ferry with open seating, ready to carry you across the water. There were only around 50 passengers today, so you had plenty of seats to choose from. A short safety briefing, engines begin humming beneath your feet, and then you're off. The city begins to drift behind you as you carve your way through Hong Kong's harbour. To one side, Stonecutters Island, then Ma Wan. The shoreline stretches out past the Gold Coast and up towards Tuen Mun. If you're feeling flush and want to spend double the price, about $150, then you can head up to first class. The seats are a little bit wider, a little bit more comfortable, and there was only one person in there today. If you've got a family of 4, there are some nice tables where you can sit opposite each other. All around you, the movement of global trade, towering container ships and heavy tankers making their way towards Shekou Port, the 4th busiest port on Earth, dealing with over 3 billion containers per year. I'm pretty confident that something you touched in the last 15 minutes came from this port. Towards the eastern edge of Deep Bay, just before your arrival, scattered across the water are rows of oyster farms on the Hong Kong side. Quiet, methodical, a stark contrast to the industrial giants you've been passing. And before you know it, that serene journey is over as the port of Shekou appears.
This is it. And there we go, in just 54 minutes. We have arrived in Shekou in Shenzhen. just got to go through immigration and through customs, which apparently is very quick, but I'll let you know in a minute because I can't film. And then I'll see you the other side. And there we go, we are through. That took about 1 minute to go through immigration and customs, of course. If you are a passport holder, it will take you a few minutes more, but there are no queues here. So what a great way to enter China through this border here at Shekou.
And just a few minutes walk outside the station, you reach the Shenzhen Metro at Taiziwan Station on line 12. From here, you can connect to all the stations throughout the system, whether you're going to the city, up to the airport, or right next door to the famous SeaWorld.
Hope you've enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.